but the owner of the vehicles have gone underground, so we don't know where she is, but we are going to arraign them in the court today. We are cooperating na askari wa IP, they are here. So naomba uharibifu ya misitu isimame, because we are now on the ground protecting our environment. Tunaomba usaidizi ya community, chiefs, other officers in other departments. Tunaomba ushirikiano ndio tuweze kumanage kazi yetu.